Hello, I'm Bill Shires with StoneAge Waterblast Tools. And for over 40 years now, StoneAge has prided itself on creating innovative speed control technologies for our rotating pipe cleaning tools. You want to stay in ranges of 300 to 600 RPM for some of the large pipe cleaning applications, and we need to do that by creating torque. And we cause our heads to turn by creating an offset. So you'll see that we have an offset jet from the center line. This tool is the R.6, and that 0.6 is the measurement from the center line of the tool to here. So that's just less than 5/8 of an inch. So the greater your offset, the more torque you'll have. So that would be applicable for a smaller pump, a smaller horsepower pump. If you wanted to have, or if you had a higher flow pump, then you would have a less offset. And we're trying to achieve the same RPM with each tool. So that's why we have a range of R values to match all the range of pumps that are available in the industry today. What's very common is if you have a head that is mismatched. So you've taken it from one pump and you've put it to another pump, and you will have either too fast a rotation or no rotation at all. So that what you need to do is make sure that you use our StoneAge app or a catalog or the manual for each tool, and make sure that you're using the right R value to match the pump that you have for your application.